Let us see how to install Google for Education apps. Click on Settings. Go to Accounts section in your phone, Accounts and Sync section. Click on Accounts. Click on Add an account, add a new account. Select Google. Now this will prompt you to enter the username and password provided by your school. Enter the email ID provided to you by your school. If you haven't received, please contact your school admin. The username will be in the format of @yourschoolname.com. Enter the username and click on Next. Enter the password provided by your school and then click Next. Click on I agree. This will prompt you to install an app called Android Device Policy. Click on Install. The download depends on the Wi-Fi speed. Normally it shouldn't take more than 10 to 15 seconds. This will take you at a page to create work profile in your mobile. Click on Accept and Continue. This will start registering a work profile and installing all the Google for Education apps. This process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. So be patient during this process. Within 10 minutes, all the apps required for Google for Education will be installed in your mobile. So the process will be happening on the background. You can see a briefcase logo on your screen. Please keep your phone aside till you get the next prompt. This will typically take about 5 to 7 minutes for your next prompt to appear on your screen. This process will help to create a separate apps apart from your personal apps. This will help the students to have all the school related apps separately so that they will not confuse with the other apps which will be used by the parent. This will also ensure the school admin to put control on what student can access and what student can't access. This will ensure safe and secure access of internet for your child. This will also ensure your child is not accessing any inappropriate content over internet. All the search history will be saved in the school portal. Hence, this is an important process to ensure creating a work profile in the tablet or in your mobile so that student will have his own school apps to access. can also check from your notifications page if any apps are getting installed in the background. Otherwise, you can wait till the next prompt. This video is made to give the exact experience for you in what time what is the total time that takes to install all the apps. In the mobile which we have used, it has taken about 8 minutes to complete the whole installation. So depending on various phones, it will take any time between 5 minutes to 10 minutes. If you are facing any problem during this process, please make sure you take a screenshot of the error and you share it with your school admin. Yes, now this screen shows all the apps installed. Now you can see the list of apps that will be installed in your mobile or tablet. Click on next. Yeah, now you can click on done to make the environment setup for your child's learning. This will take you to the accounts page. Now you can go to the home page and check whether all the apps got installed or not. Go to the end of your page. Now you can see apps with a briefcase badge. These are the apps which your student will be using for online classes and to access content. You can group all of these apps into a folder for easy access for your child. Here you can rename the folder to school apps so that your child can access it easily. So these are the apps which will be used for online classes and to access content.